y'all, Nadine here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a triple treble and in US terms it's triple treble. And in UK terms I couldn't find a term for it, so it is shown as a T with 4 intersecting dashes through it on charts, and it's a TTR as an abbreviated term for it. So as usual, I have my trusty old yarn here. It's a worsted weight and my trusty 5mm US H hook, and that's 8. And so we'll start off with a slip knot, and this is the last of the tall stitches. Basically anything larger than this, it'll tell you how many times to yarn over the hook. So in this instance I'm just going to make a short base chain because it's so tall that you end up with a lot of it. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now to get up to the height that you need to crochet, you need to chain up 6. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the so now you yarn over 4 times, 2, 3, and 4. And in the 7th chain from the hook, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You would put your hook in through there, yarn over and pull it through. So that is 2, 4, and 6 loops on your hook. You yarn over again, and you pull through 2, 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 and you pull through 2 more. I'm getting a few cards piled over this way, so you can see that's a pretty long stitch. Just the stitch itself is over an inch and a half. Once you get out to the other end, it'll be even longer. So 2, 3, and 4. So that's 5 loops on your hook. Yeah. Through, grab, yarn over, through 2, through 2, through 2, through 2, and 2 more. And that's it. It makes a really big loopy stitch if that's where all you're going to use. But usually you use this stitch in conjunction with others, is what I found. So, generally you're not going to use this one by itself. So yarn over 4. So now I've got 5 loops. Grab the stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2, 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 and 2 more. Oops. And don't catch that top one, even though sometimes it can be kind of flumpy. That's my word for the day, flumpy. It's like putting a doohickey through the chummy-majig, I know you know what I'm talking about. So we yarned over 4. We got 5 loops on the hook. And you put through the 1 chain, and you yarn over, pull it through. So you have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and 2, and I thought I was done, but I guess there's 2 more. That's the problem with this stitch, I find. You think you're done, but you still have more to go. I'm getting a tangle. Apparently my pile of yarn is getting a little bit of a catch-up over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now yarn over 1 more. There we go. Now I've got 5 loops. And I want to do the last one. Just yarn through the chain. Grab the yarn. Yarn over. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And pull through 2. So that's it. Now to get up to the next row, so you see how this end row ends up being a little bit longer. Now I find that's just kind of the way things go, but after you go back and forth and it ends up evening itself out after a while. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I thought. I lose track sometimes because generally I stick with the double crochets and the half doubles and stuff like that. So and I've been making a lot of dolls lately, so it's all single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more is 6. There we go. You chain up 6. You turn your work. So now you're on this side, and you got to yarn over 4. So you get your 5 loops on the hook, and then at the top of the last one, not this stitch here, that's the chain. In this stitch is where you put your hook through, and you grab the yarn and pull it through, back through, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 and yarn over, pull through 2. I find sometimes with these really tall stitches you have to kind of grab it here so that you pull it down. I'll show you that again. 3, 4. So that's 5 loops on your hook. You grab, pull. Okay, so the first one's not going to be so bad because you got that. It's down a little bit further, but the rest of them I find tends to get a little bit sneaky up here, and you end up grabbing your loops unintentionally when you're trying to pull through 2. So you just hang on to the bottom of this, and there you go. And then you can do that again, and you do that again. I find that sometimes they get all caught up in those extra loops when you're trying to pull through, so that's usually how I resolve it. And so yarn over 4 and through, pull over, and then 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And there we go. And that's all there is to it. I get it. 2. And sometimes, I'm pretty sure I can't count much higher than like 5, because almost everything is you go through 2 or you go through 3. And you count your stitches by whatever's 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And 2, and 2, and 2, and 2, and 2 more for good measure. And there we go. That is a little chunk of treble crochet. And as you can see, it kind of evens itself out. But it's a very loose stitch. Personally, I wouldn't use it for like a standalone project, but use it in conjunction with other stitches would be fine, I'm sure. Or I suppose if you made a chunky scarf out of it with chunkier yarn, it would probably actually be a good and really quick project to go through. So again, that's the treble, and it's a on a chart it would be a T with 4 slashes through it. And basically anything above this, if it's in written or chart form, all you'll see is if it's in chart form, you'll have to just count the slashes. And if they want something taller, it'll be 5 slashes through here, or 6 or 7 or whatever. And in a written pattern, if it's anything above like a triple treble, they'll say yarn over X many times. So yarn over 5 or 6 or 7 times for anything that's taller than this. Now I haven't really seen anything taller than that, so I'm sure it would be a rare thing to see stitches taller than that. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, smash it good, and if you like it, give me a subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.